Solid advice when trying to navigate through the world of investing. Investing in the stock market is a great way to earn a substantial income. However, the only way you can be successful at it is if you know what you are doing. This video will give you some great advice so you can earn a solid profit from your investments. Like a lot of things in life, there is a risk involved with investing in the stock market. However, if you first invest your time in educating yourself about stock investments, you can minimize that risk. The first step in minimizing risks is to acknowledge that risks are involved. With education and research, it is possible to realize an annual return of 10 to 15% on your investment with very minimal risk. Pay attention to cycles, and wait for the bull market to emerge. You must be ready to pounce when things are on the upswing. If you do your homework, you will learn to recognize when a bear market is about to do an about-face and head in the other direction. For some fun in investing in stocks, take a look at penny stocks. The term applies not just to stocks worth pennies, but most stocks with values less than a few dollars. Since these stocks come dirt cheap, even a movement of $1 or $2 can yield major dividends. This can be a low-cost way of learning the markets. It is important to remember when investing that cash is always an option. If you do not like the current state of the market, or are unsure of what to invest in, there is nothing wrong with holding cash. You can put the cash into a savings account, certificate of deposit, or purchase short-term treasuries. Do not pressure yourself into investing in the stock market if you do not believe the timing is right. As mentioned in the beginning of this video, a great way to earn a large amount of money is by purchasing stocks. When you know exactly what to do, the amount of money you can make is limitless. Use the advice provided to you to your advantage. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.